Hello everyone, so it's your boy Yashvia Gaming. Well, if you're facing issues with your LM Studio, like you've already downloaded the GGUF, okay, your AI model, and still you have cut and paste it to the path, and you click refresh and you see nothing pops up. So today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix it. Or maybe let's say you don't have any spaces in your local DC and you wish to move the GGUF file that you've downloaded from Hugging Face. So you want to move it to maybe your drive D or E, whatever, to your SSD M.2, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do this. So what you need to do is to create a folder like LM Studio, okay, and then create another folder called models. And then inside the models folder, you want to create another folder like community or local files, and inside it you wanna give it a name like I downloaded the Quen 2.5 coder with 14 billion parameters. There's a trick, okay? So let's say you click change. All right, so now let's say if I go to this here, I know the folder, it's inside this. If I select the Quen 2.5 coder folder right here and then I click refresh, I will not get anything. I will still facing the same problem. See, I click refresh model list and I don't get anything. So you need to select the root of the folder, not the thing. So let me show you that. So you need to go one step here and then select this folder. Make sure you select the root of this folder. So once you select it, boom, voila, it should be automatically detected, and if not, you can click refresh model list right here.